Hello and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and today I am coming to you to talk to you about how the coronavirus may or may not affect your finances. So right now, the world is in a panic and we are going to be going through a lot of different changes in the near future. However, financially, it is important that we keep our mind on a straight and narrow path, and we do make decisions and make plans that are going to be beneficial to us and to our family. So the first thing I would suggest is that you do not sell your stock or panic about the stock market going down. At this time, yes, we see the numbers going down. However, we've seen the numbers go down before, and then over time, they go back up. So I suggest that you hold on to your stocks and ride out the wave as long as you can. Also, just remember that any losses that you incur in the stock market during this time, you can write them off on your taxes next year. If you have any extra money that you can put towards buying stocks, then go right ahead and purchase a couple of the stocks that have gone down in price, and then you'll be able to hold on to them, and then you should be able to see a increase in your earnings over time. Second, I want to make sure that you have access to your emergency savings fund. So if you have been saving and you have your money put into the bank, make sure that you have immediate access to that money, that you can get it in cash form or you can get it off of your debit card. Make sure that it is not tied up in a CD account or an IRA account where it will take you to have to go into a bank and sign paperwork to get that out. What if the bank closes and you're not able to go into the bank? You need to make sure that your cash or your debit card has the amount of money that you need in order to survive over the next couple of months. Also, if you have been told to stay home or from work, or if your children are home from work, there are two things that I suggest that you do. The first thing is contact your employer and see if you can work from home so that you're not losing out on any money or using up your sick time or vacation time during this time. Also, if your children are off from school and you still have to go to work, I suggest a few things. Contact friends and family and see if any one of them that you trust will be willing to watch your children if they're available while you go to work, or get with other parents of children that maybe go to the same school that your child goes to, or your friends that have children, and see if you guys can get a group rate or a group program from a daycare provider, and see if you can get a reduction in the amount that you have to pay for daycare. The next thing I suggest is that you contact your student loan lender. So I don't know if you are aware, but right now the student loan rates have been halted. So in this time, if you have student loans or if you are paying on student loan debt, I suggest that you contact your lender and see how this change will affect you. Will it be beneficial for you? Should you continue to pay on your student loans at this time, or should you wait? You need to contact your lender and see what the best choice is for you. And the last thing I suggest is to make sure that you are spending your money wisely. Do not spend unnecessary money on unnecessary items. That could be anything. I don't know exactly what everyone is spending money on. However, I have seen a lot of people buying a tremendous amount of toilet paper and hand sanitizer, and I do understand that those things are necessary. However, I just want to make sure that you know where your money is going and that you are spending it in the right way to make sure that you are financially secure if things get worse. So I hope this information has helped you, and I ask you to just make sure that you stay safe, stay healthy, make sure that you take care of yourself and your friends and your family around you. Thank you for joining me at the Financial Spot.